bought a ticket to Newport return. So this is a ticket going and coming back is 16 pounds. So this is the timetable. I have a train at 10:02. So you can see from platform 5. I am using my ticket. So I have to put ticket like this. So then it will open. My gates are open. Now I am going. Now I have to see platform 5 to 15. I have to go right.
Slide right onto station approach.
Straight 5 to 15 platforms straight. There again display boards. Platform 5 to 15. I have to go down. So this is the way I came, like day before yesterday from London. So these are the platforms. So there are two platforms. One is up, one is the ground floor, and another is downstairs. So I have to go this way. So I have to go to platform 5. So I am going towards platform 5. I said platform 5. So left side platform 5 to 8. So this side is platform 7. So yeah, I have to go to platform 5 this side only. So train is ready. So now the time is 9:55, but train is already ready. So it will leave at 10:02. Sorry, in 7 minutes. So I am entering into the train. I will sit here. So beautiful train, green color. Train just started. So next stop is Hinton Abbey Wood and Newport. Train has just entered Wales. So this is Wales. So this is the first time I am visiting Wales in my life. And even I have never visited in the year 2002 to 2007 when I was here for 4.5 years. So even in 2013 and to 14 I didn't have time or I didn't visit Wales. So that's why this trip I am visiting Wales. So the next is this is Wales. I think there won't be any difference between England and Wales. I got down at Newport, so I spent here like 1.5 hours max. Then I go to Hart. This is Newport station. So I am not finding any difference between England stations or Scotland stations or Wales stations. So they are all similar. So they are different countries actually in the United Kingdom, but they are all same. So now I will go to High Street and see town centre if there is any difference. This train is going to London Paddington. So it goes via Bristol, Swindon, Lidcott Parkway, Reading and Paddington. The same train, same route which I took day before yesterday. This is excellent train. So the first class, second class, total 9 coaches. 2 are first class and remaining are second class, standard class. This is London Paddington. Going to London it will take 3 hours from here. Sorry, 2 hours, not 3 hours. Just 3 hours, just 2 hours. So this is Newport station. So looking good. This is Newport train station. See, it is beautiful structure. It is looking different, unique. So with a unique shape. So I am going towards town center. Just I want to spend only 1 hour here because I want to spend more time in Cardiff. So and also Swansea. So I'm just going to South Town Center. So you can see Welsh language everywhere, even on the display boards. You can see first is English and then is Welsh language. So it is a different language, but most people, everyone speaks here English. So this is the trains. Another train. This is Travel Arch, just opposite to Newport. If you want to stay in Newport, so we can use this Travel Arch. So excellent. So there I saw one Indian restaurant. So I am going there to see if it is open. I don't think so. Right, I think it is open. So I will eat something. Even if I eat several things other than Indian food, I still feel hungry. So it's better eat something Indian and then I don't feel hungry. and I don't need to spend too much money on food. So that is the problem. So Indian restaurant takeaway, I will just eat some snacks or a roti or something like that. So it is already 11 o'clock, so not a problem. Taste of Asia. Unfortunately, it is closed on Tuesday, so I have to find one more Indian restaurant, or maybe they will open it 12 o'clock, I don't know. So if it is like that, then I go to Cardiff and take my lunch there. So there will be plenty of Indian restaurants in Cardiff, I'm sure. So I'm in Newport now. As every town center or city center, say even in Wales like Newport, so you can see all similar shops, but I think slightly different. So like I can see HSBC Bank, pubs, and all the letting agents. So here also houses are very expensive. I am going towards town center or city center, whatever we call. It's a NatWest Bank, beautiful building, old building. This is HSBC Bank, excellent building, beautiful rock structure, and this is NatWest. So CYMRU means is Welsh language. So they call it their country name as CYMRU. There is a name in Welsh, I don't know. It's a big building that I think that is the tallest building in Newport. So some more hotels, offices, restaurants, Greg's, so McDonald's. I will eat something in Greg's. I didn't eat till now in my trip. In this trip I used to eat regularly when I was in 2013. I have taken fruits, water bottle, croissant and donut and coffee here. It is 6:30. 6:35 is a deal, breakfast deal. So I had breakfast in Greg's, like croissant, donut, fruit bowl, small, and water. So I am now just spending some time in High Street. So this is same High Street, town center, like any other town center in UK. This is Primark. It's a very good shop. I have bought one towel here. Small towel is £1.80. Now I am going back to train station. It's almost like 1 hour. So here same shops. So you can see Greg's, Card Factory, and Superdrug. So we see everywhere. Lloyds, TSB Bank, TSB Bank. So beautiful trees and benches to sit. So this is Lloyds Bank. See the building is a good rock structure, stones, built with stones. That is TSB. So I'm not sure whether Lloyds, TSB, Lloyds Bank, I think TSB. Oh, I think they have separated. It used to be Lloyds, TSB when I was here. So I used to maintain my primary account in Lloyds, TSB Bank. So it looks like now they have separated. So you can see this is Riverside. I will go that side because I already coming from this side. The NatWest Bank you can see. So all Iceland Bank, everything, Wood Pharmacy, shoe repairs, key cutting, it is all expensive. So then travel agency, so keys cut only for £10. So it is expensive. Taco Bell, all high street shops. You can see Next, a bit far from here. Starbucks, Pimendes. So all similar shops. There is no difference between any high street shops and Newport high street shops. University of South Wales. I am near town center, a train station. You can see beautiful, all trees, excellent houses. So and super shopping shops, shopping malls. So I can't find any difference between England and Wales. So they both look similar. So there is a riverfront. So someone told me to go to riverfront, but is any riverfront is like that. So I want to spend more time in Cardiff, and I also want to go to Swansea. So I'm just going back to train station to catch next train to Cardiff, and if possible directly I will go to Swansea. I will take National Express from Cardiff, a return ticket, and I will spend some time in Swansea and come back to Cardiff and spend more time in Cardiff, and evening almost like 7:30. So then I go back to Bristol.